Hi dear students, now we are discussing some additional problems on preparation of schedule of changes in working capital. Okay, if it is a big problem, it will be just like this. Prepare statement of changes in working capital from following balance sheet of MNP Limited. How to solve? Firstly, we have to segregate these items and identify current items. Schedule of changes in working capital shows only current items. So identify current assets and current liabilities. On the asset side, fixed asset, long-term investment, work in progress, then where are the items? Work in progress, stock in trade, account receivable, cash. Liability side, equity share capital, debentures, tax payable, accounts payable, interest payable, dividend payable. Okay, this current, non-current item. Only we have to take current items. On the asset side, what are the current items? Fixed asset allalo, long-term investment alla. Then work in progress. Stock of goods ആണ്. Work in progress എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ പകുതി semi-finished goods ആണ്. Okay, it is a stock item, so it is a current asset. Then stock in trade, it is also stock. Then account receivable means cash receivable, sundry debtors, bills receivable, etc. Okay, cash, another item. But there are 4 current assets. On the liability side, what are the items? Tax payable, dividend payable, both can be taken either as current liability or as non-current liability. In this type of schedule of changes in working capital problem, we can take it as current liability and give a note at the end of the solution that these items are taken as current. Okay, if you give a note, there is no problem. Okay, now we will take it as a current liability. Tax payable, then accounts payable, creditors, interest payable amount of interest, dividend payable. We are taking 4 current assets and 4 current liabilities. Note that in the case of tax and dividend, you have to give a note that both these items are taken as current liabilities. Okay, then the solution goes just like this. We will provide 5 columns, a particular column, 2 amount column, then increase column, decrease column. Okay, first item working progress, 80,000, 90,000. What was happened? There is an increase of 10,000. Then stock in trade, 1,50,000, 2,25,000. What is the situation? There is an increase of 75,000. Then accounts receivable, 70, 1,40,000. Then there is an increase of 70,000. Then cash, 30,000, 10,000. There is a decrease of 20,000. It is shown here. Okay. Then we will total only the 2 columns, that is amount column. First 2 amount columns are totaled, that is taken as total current assets. Okay, total current assets. Next we will go through current liabilities. Tax payable, 7743. There is a decrease of 34,000 but is shown in the increase column. In the current liability case, we will show in the opposite column. For example, account payable 96, 192. There is an increase but it is shown in the decrease column. Interest payable 3745. There is an increase but shown here in the decrease column. And also dividend payable 5035. There is a decrease but shown in the case of in the increase column. Then total, the second total will be here, that is total current liabilities. Then we will find working capital. Working capital is equal to total current assets minus total current liabilities. In the case of 2015, 3,30,000 minus 2,60,000 is equal to 70,000. In the second year, 4,65,000 minus 3,15,000, it is equal to 1,50,000. Okay, we have identified working capital. Then we have to find the balance. How to find the balance? One is 70, one is 150. So 150 is given both the amount columns. Here in the second year it is okay. First year this is a shortage, that is 80,000. This is increase in working capital. Okay, how it is mentioned as increase or decrease? Just look here. First year it is 70, second year it is 150. That is, there is increase of 80,000. And also we have to balance the last 2 columns also. Here also we have to total all the items in increase column and decrease column, and the highest total is 2,04,000. It is put under both the columns, and the difference will be coming in the decrease column, so show 80,000. The balance shown in decrease column is considered as increase in working capital. Balance in increase column is considered as decrease in working capital. Okay. Now let us go through another problem. Prepare schedule of changes in working capital from the following comparative balance sheet of SBR Limited. Okay, മറ്റൊരു വലിയ പ്രോബ്ലമാണ്. ഹൗ ടു കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ്, ഇത് നിങ്ങളാണ് സൊല്യൂഷൻ തരേണ്ടത്. ജസ്റ്റ് ഡിസ്കസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഒന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത് പോവാം. വാട്ട് ആർ ദ കറണ്ട് ഐറ്റംസ്? Land and building, plant and machinery, furniture are fixed items. Okay, then stock is a current item. The next item, sundry debtors, is a current item. Prepaid expense is a current asset. Short term investments, short term, whatever may be, short term assets are current items. Then cash at bank is a current asset. These 5 are taken into schedule of changes in working capital. Preliminary expense is a fictitious asset. Okay, it is a fixed asset. So these are the 5 items. Then go through the liability side: share capital, reserves and surplus, mortgage loan, then outstanding wages. All the adjustments, outstanding, prepaid, accrued, income received in advance, all these are treated as current items. Okay, outstanding expense is a current liability. Then sundry creditors is a current liability. Then provision for tax and proposed dividend. This can be taken either as current liability or as non-current liability. If you take it as current or non-current, it should be given as a note after your problem. Okay, after writing all the solutions, write a note that these items are taken as current item or non-current item. Now let us take it as current item. Okay, no problem, it can be taken either as current or non-current. Okay, now it is taken here as current liability. Provision for tax 24,000, proposed dividend. Okay, then schedule of changes in working capital will show these 5 current assets and 4 current liabilities. So students, you prepare a schedule of changes in working capital and send it into my WhatsApp number. Okay, this is another question. Okay, one more question is here. Prepare schedule of changes in working capital. There are a lot of assets and liabilities. Just let us discuss, and you have to solve it and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, what are the current assets? Goodwill, land and building, plant. Then debtor is a current asset. Stock, bills receivable, cash in hand, cash at bank. All these 5 items are current assets to be shown in schedule. And on the liability side, equity share capital, 8% redeemable preference share capital, general reserve, profit or loss account. Then proposed dividend, we have mentioned it can be taken either as current or non-current. If the problem is with related to only schedule of changes in working capital, it is good to take it as current liability. But in the case of advanced problems, you have to consider it by taking the theory. Generally it is taken as non-current items. Okay, here we are taking it as current liability. It is enough if we give a note. Okay, proposed dividend, then creditors, bills payable, and also provision for tax. Note that proposed dividend, provision for tax can be taken as current or non-current, but you have to give a note after the solution. Okay, now you take it as current liability. Okay, you also write down the question in your notebook or find the answer and send the answer to my WhatsApp number. Are you clear? If you have any query, you give me a text message into my WhatsApp number. No problems. Okay, thank you very much.